Hello students. In the previous lecture we have discussed about the term probability. What is probability and what are the terms we are going to use in this chapter. Clear? In this lecture we are going to discuss about the definition of probability, or we can say about the formula of probability. So what is the formula to find the probability of an event? Simple, there is only one formula, that is PA, that is probability of that event. Suppose the event's name is A. So probability of event A is equal to the number of favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes, or symbolically we can represent it as PA, probability of an event A is equal to number of favorable outcomes of that event A upon total number of sample spaces or total number of outcomes. Clear? Students, suppose I am taking one example. Suppose I am rolling a dice. On the dice we can have 6 faces. Okay, that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the possibilities. Okay, so we can cover it by curly bracket and name is sample spaces. The sample spaces are 6. So number of sample spaces is equal to 6. Now the question is, what is the probability after throwing a dice that on the upper face you will get prime numbers. प्राइम नंबर्स आने की प्रोबेबिलिटी क्या होगी, है ना? तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू चेक व्हाट आर द प्राइम नंबर्स हियर 2 इज द स्मॉलेस्ट प्राइम नंबर, देन 3 एंड 5. 3 प्राइम नंबर्स आर हियर. तो पॉसिबल और फेवरेबल आउटकम्स इज इक्वल टू 2, 3 and 5. That means number of favorable outcomes of event A is equal to 3. Clear? So our probability PA is equal to, that is NA 3 upon total outcomes, that is 6. This 6 is equal to 1 by 2. Clear? Suppose I am asking, after throwing a dice, what is the probability of getting 7? अभी देखो, maximum 1 to 6 numbers are there, but 7 is nowhere. तो 7 आने का probability क्या होगा? That is 0. 7 आ ही नहीं सकता. तो probability of getting 7 is equal to 0. और अगर मैं आपको एक और सिचुएशन देता हूँ, what is the probability of getting number less than 7? अगर कोई नंबर 7 से कम है आना है तो उसकी प्रोबेबिलिटी क्या होगी? दैट मीन्स 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 6 नंबर्स आ सकते हैं क्योंकि ऑल आर लेस देन 7. क्लियर? on that cases we will have 6 upon 6 is equal to 1. But in case of 7 we will have 0 upon 6 is equal to 0. That means one thing to be noted. What is that? Probability of an event lies between 0 and 1, or we can say the probability of an event is more than equal to 0 and less than equal to 1. This thing is very important. Clear? Now we move towards the complement of event. What is complement of event? Complement of event इसका मतलब ये है, सपोज इसी एग्जाम्पल में मैंने बोला प्राइम नंबर्स, व्हाट इज द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ गेटिंग प्राइम नंबर्स. सो कॉम्प्लीमेंट ऑफ इवेंट क्या होगा? व्हाट इज द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ नॉट गेटिंग प्राइम नंबर्स, किसी चीज का ना होना. सपोज आई एम टॉसिंग अ वन कॉइन. क्लियर? आइदर हेड और टेल विल अपीयर. क्लियर? नाउ आई एम सेइंग व्हाट इज द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ गेटिंग हेड. But on that case I am also saying what is the probability of not getting head, that is getting tail. I am saying what is the probability of getting tail, but in case of saying tail, I am saying what is the probability of not getting head. That is the complement. Okay, so here three conditions are possible to get prime numbers, but what are the conditions of not getting prime numbers? Again it is 3. So 1, 4 and 6. Clear? 1, 4, 6. Again 3 conditions are possible out of 6 possibilities. Clear? So our probability will be 1 upon 2 again, because 3 upon 6 again 1 upon 2. Now the definition says the complement of an event A with respect to a sample space S is the set of all elements of S which are not in A. It is usually denoted by A dash or A bar or A power C. Clear? So students, one thing you can note here, कि probability of an event which is happening and probability of that event, or we can say complement of that event, or we can say probability of that event will not be happening. The sum of these two will equal to 1. कैसे? Suppose I am saying that today it will be rain. So there will be two possibilities. First one is either may be rain or may not be rain. That means two condition possibilities. But there will be rain. If there will be rain, that means 1 upon 2 is the probability. One condition out of two possibilities. And if there may not be rain, again one condition, that is complement of that event is again 1 upon 2. That means sum of those two events, that is one is actual event and one is complement of that event, is equal to 1. Clear? This is also an important note. Okay, so students, pause the video to be noted down.